guys are together?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You better have memory. Dealing. It's just the line to get mad. You gonna get mad? You gonna get mad? I knew it. It might be good. Where she said they at? I know, look at this one. Hi. Goodness, they're gorgeous. Look at them. So your girl met and took a picture with Serena Williams. It was super cute. She just came out with her new makeup line called Win Beauty. So that's exciting. I did not get a chance to get anything because right now I'm not currently shopping for makeup. However, I will be trying it out next month when I do come back to Ulta. So I'm about to eat my little Chick-fil-A. Got my Chick-fil-A breakfast. That was really cute. There's a lot of people, not a lot of people in there, but it was, you know, enough people in there. So, but yeah, I'm about to go on with the rest of my day. Again, that was really cute. It's called Win Beauty, and you can get it at Ulta. I'm not sure if it's gonna be at Sephora, but anywho,